Alright, today we are learning how to play Mahjong. I know it seems complicated to a lot of people, but once I walk you through it, you will see you can pick it up just fine. You don't need any fancy strategies. Just stay with me for the next few minutes and you will understand how people play, what they're doing, and you will be able to sit at the table without feeling awkward. We will start from the very beginning and build it up step by step. So, shall we? Mahjong in Chinese is Mahjiang. Let me give you a little bit of background on Mahjong. Most people don't know about this, but back then, it didn't even go by the name Mahjong. People call it sparrow tiles, because when you shuffle the tiles, it really does sound like a bunch of sparrows chirping in a courtyard. And the earliest version of Mahjong was built around a hunting game about catching sparrows. The bamboo suit was drawn to look like rows of bones. And if you look at the bamboo number 1, it's the only one that's different. It's drawn as a little tiny bird. It's meant to be the sparrow that helps itself to the grain. And the dots look a bit like the barrel of an old firelock, the one used to chase after sparrows. In Mahjong, there are 3 basic chords. Chow comes from the idea of a sparrow sneaking a bite of food. Pung sounds like the guards taking a shot. Kong is like reloading a gun after firing. So Mahjong, it basically started as a small hunting game, and little by little, it became the game we play today. Mahjong and poker may look completely different, but the basic ideas are so similar. Let me tell you why. When you play poker, every player has to make a few simple choices. Bet or not, call or fold, keep going to the next round or stop. And the whole time, you're just trying to build the strongest hand you can with the cards you've got, while watching how everyone else bets, how their behavior shifts, and what they might be planning. Mahjong follows the same idea, just with different moves. You draw, you discard, and you see if anyone wants to chow, pung, or kong. You're still trying to shape the strongest hand you can, and you are paying attention to how other people play and all small signs about what they might be building. Alright, now that your brain is warmed up, let's move on to learn about the tiles. We get the tiles straight first, and everything else will become much easier after that. But wait, Miss Lee, what is tiles? Just like poker has cards, Mahjong has tiles, those small rectangular pieces with symbols or numbers on it. Without flowers is 136 tiles. With flowers is 144 tiles because it has 8 flower tiles in it. Flower tiles are only used in certain regions, so we will leave them out for today. Mahjong has 4 categories: characters, dots, bamboo, and honor tiles. In Mahjong, there are 3 numbered suits. Characters run from 1 to 9 with 4 copies of each tile. Dots also go from 1 to 9 with 4 of each. And bamboo likewise range from 1 to 9, again with 4 copies of every number. In Mahjong, the honor tiles are made up of the wings and the dragons. The wings has 4 directions: east, south, west, and north. and each one has 4 copies. The dragons comes in red, green, and white, also with 4 copies each. And the basic actions are chow, pung, and kong. This is where beginners get lost, so let's make it really easy. Chow, you can say 吃, a string of 3 numbers in the same suit. You can only 吃 from the player before you, which is the one sitting on your left side, because the game moves counterclockwise. Pung, you can say pung, 3 of the same tiles. You can pung from anyone, which means if someone discards a tile and you have 2 of the same, you can pung. Show the set, place it off to the side, and then discard another tile you don't want. Kong, you can say gang, means having 4 matching tiles. There are 3 types of kong. A concealed kong is when you already hold all 4 matching tiles. An exposed kong is when someone throws the tile you need and you take it to make 4. An added kong is when you've already made a pung and later draw the last matching tile, so your 3 becomes 4. After you make a kong, just set the tiles aside, face down, flip one over, and then draw a new tile from the back of the wall. Mahjong has many ways to win, but we will start with the basic ones to get you comfortable. As you play more, you will get to know all the other patterns. You can make a straight, which is 3 numbers in order in the same suit, or a triplet, which is 3 of the same tile. And you will need 1 pair, just 2 matching tiles. Put them together, and that's a winning hand. So how do you know you are in a ready hand? This is a key part to understand. In Chinese, we call this 听牌, which means you are only 1 tile away from winning. So if another player throws the tiles you're waiting for, you pick it up, and that's a win. We call it 胡. If you draw the winning tile yourself, you win. We call it 自摸. When this happens, you just call it out and flip all your tiles over to declare a win. Yes! Great! Now that you have got the basics down, let's run through the whole game from the beginning. Alright, here's how the real game goes. Number 1. Shuffle the tiles. Everyone mix the tiles together in the center. Number 2. Build a wall. Each player stacks the tiles into a wall, 18 stacks long, stacked into 2 rows. Number 3. Roll the dice. For the first round, everyone rolls the dice and the highest roll is the dealer. After that, the dealer keeps the seat if they win. If another player wins, the dealer passes to the next player. The dealer rolls to decide it where the wall opens. Number 4. Deal the tiles. The dealer starts first, and everyone continue drawing in a clockwise order. Each row is 4 tiles at a time, which is 2 stacks. You keep drawing until each player has 13 tiles and the dealer has 14. The dealer discards first. That's the first tile of the game. By the way, you always draw tiles facing down so no one can see your tiles. Number 5. Game on. And then it's time to start playing. Draw a tile, make your move, and discard until someone wins. Also, you only draw 1 tile at a time, and the drawing goes counterclockwise. And that's the entire process. Not too bad, right? The real charm of Mahjong is that you pick up all kinds of lessons just by playing. You learn when to push and when to hold back, how to figure things out, noticing intentions, staying sharp, and turning small chances into opportunities. And as you play, you start to see how you would handle the pressure, how you stay sturdy when things turn against you, and how you have to keep making choices even when you're not sure what's coming next. Each game reminds you that life isn't about getting the perfect tiles. It's about having the patience, courage, and confidence to make the best of whatever lands in your hands. But the most beautiful part of Mahjong isn't the game, it's the people. Because in the end, you might not remember the game, but you will remember the people who sat with you, joked with you, laughed with you, and turned a simple moment into something you end up carrying with you for a long, long time.
Thank you for watching. Take care and see you next time. Bye bye.